An old man visited an ear, nose and throat department and told the doctor, "Doctor, I don't know if there's something wrong with my ears. I can't hear my farts sound well these days." The doctor, who listened to him, handed him a prescription. "Take 2 pills every day, after each meal for a week. Then it will work." The old man asked with a smile, "Doctor, is this a medicine that helps me hear well?" Then the doctor answered seriously, "No, it's a medicine that helps you make farts sound louder." This ridiculous story shows us a typical example of a wrong problem solving. We should not forget that the most important thing for correct problem solving is to clarify the cause of the problem.